Rachel here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another haul for you guys. So, ito mga ipapakita ko sa inyo, mga clothing items mostly. Yes, isa lang yung hindi clothing. Nabili ko siya sa DRESSLINK.com. It's either from Hong Kong or China. I'm not really quite sure about that. Pero somewhere there. Just somewhere there. It's one of those cheap Asian websites. And yeah, I decided to order some stuff. And I will go ahead and show you guys. The first thing I got is this feet mask. I don't have all the prices with me right now, but I will leave all the information below the prices. And I will do my best to find the links as well and put it below for you guys. If you're watching my vlogs, you probably have seen this already na nilagay ko siya sa paa ni Mr. Bear. And some of you guys said na nagpipeel off yung skin ng paa like after a few days. I don't think nagpeel off yung sa kanya at all. He did say na it feels good daw, but nothing special really. Meron siyang 7 feet mask. It was really inexpensive. That's why I decided to get that. And that's the only non-clothing item that I got from there. And then, kung hindi nyo pa alam, nandito ako sa Australia. I went to that website to basically get ng mga damit na para sa ganitong weather. So I got this jumper right here, or sweater. The inside feels really nice though. It has that, I'm not sure if you can tell, but it has that, yeah, you can see that, kind of like, I can't really explain what this is, but kind of like fuzzy, but not really on the inside, so it feels really nice. Next one is this one. I've worn this like maybe twice or 3 times already. It says number 9 Coco Hollywood, and then at the back it just says number 9. I actually really like this one. This is one of those items na I recommend you guys get kasi again sa website na yun, it's really inexpensive. So it has pockets right there and it feels really comfy as well. It is not like as thick as I expected, but it's not bad at all. Like, it keeps me warm, so it does the job. And yeah, it just looks like that. Next one is another jumper or sweater. This I have worn as well already. I posted a picture on Instagram actually wearing this. So this one says born in 90s. This one is really thick. It's just that the structure is not kind of the same as what they show on the website, so that's kind of a bummer. But for the price, I cannot complain. It keeps me warm. I don't like wearing this alone. Like, it has that kind of like boxy look to it na parang pinapalaki niya yung braso ko tingnan. So when I wear this, I make sure na I wear something over it, like a coat or a jacket, something like that. Pero I really like the print because I am a 90s baby and like 90s talaga, like I was born 1990. Next item is pajamas, and I actually wore this last night and I will be wearing it again tonight. That's why it's inside out. This one is really thin. I have ordered pajamas from DRESSLINK before. It was good actually. I really like it. So I thought magiging the same yung quality niya, pero with this one, it's not the same at all. Like, it's really thin, as you guys can see. It's even see-through. It looks like that. Like, overall, it's chaka, but then again, it's really cheap, so carry na. And then the bottoms looks like this. So meron siyang print na ganyan dyan. And then meron din siyang pockets. But then again, it's really different from what they show on the picture. And yeah, pero I've been wearing it. It's fine. Sa bahay lang naman, so okay lang. I also got knee-high socks because I need one. And DRESSLINK has a lot of socks that is really, again, really inexpensive. Just knee-high socks, and I got it in black, obviously. And then I also got this one right here. This is leg warmer, I think they call it. I'm actually not really sure, but it looks like this. It's a really like thick leggings. Tapos it has that kind of material as well that feels really nice on the skin, like kind of fuzzy but not really. I don't really know what I'm talking about. Yeah, but it just looks like those. And then the last thing I got from DRESSLINK is this bad boy right here. Wait, let me just figure this one out. Okay, this is a winter jacket and it is really thick. This one is, I believe, the most expensive item in this order. It feels really warm inside. I haven't worn this yet because it's not like super lamig yet, but it will get there. I actually got this in different color before nung nasa US ako, and sobrang lamig doon, as in sobra. Mas malamig pa dito, may snow pa doon. And that one kept me warm. So I decided to reorder it kasi wala na sa akin yun. Iniwan ko siya actually. And that one is in pink. So this time I decided to get it in green. And And yeah, it's just that color. It has this thing right here. It has huge pockets on the side. Kasi kapag binili mo to sa regular stores, like what regular stores? I mean, not sa DRESSLINK, it can be really expensive. And this one is less than 20 bucks. So for me, that's a great deal. The only thing with DRESSLINK and other cheap Asian clothing websites is they get you sa shipping na. Like the shipping can be really expensive, especially if they ship it international, because all their items are really inexpensive. Like you can get a shirt for $2, but your shipping can be really expensive. Overall, I was satisfied with my purchase. Just a piece of advice, if you want to order sa DRESSLINK, just make sure you check the pictures of the item before you actually purchase it. And not all though, but some products, they show the actual photo of the actual product if you just scroll all the way down. Also, I highly suggest you read the reviews, because people will say, oh, you need to get 2 sizes up or 1 size down and stuff like that, and they're actually really helpful. So I think I've purchased from DRESSLINK 3 times now, or 4. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, begin. Bye!